All right. What is up, everyone? Hello, hello. Hey, Tay, what's up, what's up? What's up, people on YouTube? Hello, hello. People on YouTube, can you please give me a thumbs up if you guys can hear me? You guys should be able to hear me pretty clearly with my new mic and through the music as well. The music should not be too loud. I hope so. But we shall see. Hey, both Chicago, Chris, what is up? What is up? Okay, the music shouldn't be too loud here. If it's too loud, please tell me. People on Instagram and on YouTube, please tell me. You guys still should be able to hear my voice, pretty loudly. Chris, what's up? What's up? What's up? Serge, what's up? Yo, Chris. Okay, we'll chill out for like 5 to 7 minutes. Allow people to get the notifications to come in. So, in the meantime, grab a list that you guys want to send in, and I'll make sure that you guys are able to see the technical analysis that I do for your tickers. And I'm gonna be changing up the speed, the lives now. I'll be going over all the list of tickers that you guys give me very quickly. So you guys should be paying attention when it's your turn, and when I'm going through your tickers. All right, Kevin's wasted. What's up? What's up? People on YouTube, please give me a thumbs up if you guys can hear me through the music. Hey, Eloy. Chad, what is up? What is up? People on YouTube, welcome. Mr. Lamb, what is up? What is up? What's up, guys? So get your tickers ready, your list of tickers. We're waiting about 5 minutes now. Okay. So, guys, tell me about your day. Some good tea. Well, it's not tea. It's honey water. So if you guys don't know how beneficial honey water is, it has antioxidants. It's good for you. It's good for your brain. It's good for your soul. You know what I mean? So gotta drink it every morning. Sometimes every night. But very good for you. Baptized in pain. I haven't seen you in a while. What's up? What's up? Yeah, now it's a wild day. Brian, what is up, man? Mr. Soft and Sour. I love your username, dude. All right, so before we start though, some of you guys have already known that you know, I haven't changed the price of the C.F.O swing watch. I said the sale was gonna end yesterday, but I didn't, to see if, you know, if people are still being active and taking action. And some of you guys have noticed. Some of you guys have DM'd me. So good job for noticing. All you guys have to do is take action. There's 20 29 people now who are requesting, who have DM'd me so far as well. Okay, 29 people. And some of you guys are in this live right now. Some of you guys are in this live on YouTube and on Instagram. I see you. I see you guys. I'm not gonna say names, but I see you. But no pressure, guys. No pressure. I'm just, you know, like I said, the CFO mantra for this year is to take action, right? No need, right? No need to, you know, think forever. You know, just take action, guys. Anthony, welcome back to Instagram from YouTube. Jeff Boy, what's up? What's up? All right, Anthony. Is there any problems with the audio on YouTube? Are you not able to hear me by any chance? Just wondering. And also, yeah, praying for the downfall of MU. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. T. Bowleys, what is up? Okay, so give me like at least 2 minutes here, guys. I'll be right back. Enjoy the music for now. Some nice lo-fi hip hop. Okay, and we'll start in about 2 minutes. Okay. Who is ready? Okay. All right. So, before, hey, Sky, Daniel. I think I've seen you last week as well. What is up? What is up? Sky, my man. What's up? Okay, let's get this party started. Let's go. Okay, all right. So, before we start, guys, before you guys send in your tickers, okay, I'm gonna give you guys some high conviction trade ideas for tomorrow. All right, I've been doing this every single live. I mean, whenever someone sends a list of tickers and I go over them, I always give you guys a trade idea that you guys can potentially trade off of on the very next day. So, you know, there's nothing different. But this time, I'm going to be giving you what I'm going to be watching out for tomorrow. All right, so Adobe. This ticker, Adobe, ADBE. Okay, ADBE. I'm going to talk a little bit slower. So Adobe here, very, very nice bounce today. So it was holding good relative strength. How do I know this? Well, take a look at the price action today, right? This is a huge amount of strength. Sure, we reversed, but when Adobe opened, right at open, right, we dumped a little bit, okay? We only went down a little bit, and then we started going straight up right away, and we reclaimed the $500 psychological level. And so this is on high alert tomorrow. I have alerts set for 520 and 514.10ish. Why? So if you take a look at the 2-hour time frame, so a lot of my C.F.O Swing and Watch subscribers and students in the past as well from the 4 weeks program, they all know why I tend to look at the 2-hour time frames and the bigger picture time frames. So on a 2-hour time frame, I'm looking at a very, very strong uptrend here. Do you guys see how there's 4 very bullish candlesticks here? right? This tells me that the bulls have reclaimed control and we are backed by the volume here. Okay, there's a lot more bullish volume than the selling volume from last week. So we started off with very good bullish volume today with a very good bounce, and we reclaimed multiple support levels at the same time in just one day. So with Adobe here, all right, I expect us to come back down, reject off of the 2-hour 21 SMA. Do you guys see this light blue line here? Okay, I hope you guys can see it. Okay, and reuse. What's up, my man Reuse? I haven't seen you in a while. So this 21 SMA, we ended right above it, and so tomorrow I might expect a little sell-off tomorrow at market open, and eventually in that sell-off I want to see a bounce, a retracement back to 520. All right, and if we see a bounce, I'm gonna get in. All right, because I still think there's gonna be a plenty of momentum in Adobe to continue to the upside. Why? Well, if you go back to the daily time frame, okay, now we're talking about the bigger picture here. Okay, the price is acting as if we're going to be going up. Okay, as if we're going to be going up back towards the 10 SMA instead of allowing the 10 SMA to come back down to the price, right? So the price is acting like as if it wants to go up first instead of allowing the 10 SMA to catch up. So we have about more than a 20-point range here, okay, around 20-point range for us to go all the way up to the 10 SMA. So that gives us a lot of room to work with. And if and only if we see a continuation of the bullish price action on Adobe and a continuation of the bounce that we saw in the overall markets today. So if you have a confluence of those two different parameters, right, with the market and with Adobe, there is a chance that we can see a nice continuation tomorrow for a nice day trade, for a nice RR, risk to reward. Okay, so I'm expecting a nice rejection tomorrow early in the morning after market open, and I'm looking for that bounce at 520. All right, and if you see a nice bounce at 520, I'm getting in, and we're going to trade this all the way up to around, go back to the daily time frame here, if it can only, well, if and only if, go all the way up to 538, which is my first profit target point, and if you have even more momentum left, potentially to 540-ish. Okay, so around 540. Reuse, she said, I'm still very lost on how to use the C.F.O stuff and have not made any investments yet. That's completely fine. Thank you for telling me. Take your time. There's no need to rush here. If you guys are feeling that you're missing out on the market, or if you're missing out on the plays that we do in the C.F.O Discord or any other plays that I give you guys in the newsletter in the C.F.O Swinger Watch, don't feel FOMO. We're doing this every single day, every single week, right? There's no need to feel like you're missing out on anything. And if you're still confused about things, if you're not trying to rush yourself into anything, that's perfect. Go with your own pace. All right, that is the most important thing that you guys can do for yourself. Hey, what is up? What is up? I haven't seen you guys here before. For the people who just joined. But what's up? What's up? And who's that 323? I haven't seen you in a while as well. I think you were in one of my earliest lives here back in like June or July of last year. Vivian, what's up? What's up, Vivian? One of the best female traders I know. Marvel. Okay. So Adobe, guys, this is one of my high conviction trades, day trades tomorrow. Okay, option contracts a little bit expensive because of the fact that we got a nice big pump today. So any in the money or at the money contracts will be slightly expensive for people who have small accounts. But overall, Adobe has been beaten down a lot the past few months. Okay, months as in last month, last year. So starting from December, it was completely clobbered here. But we're now right back into demand levels here again, where we recently broke out. Well, not recently, but last year in June. So in order for us to go up higher tomorrow, wait for that low time rejection and then bounce. Okay, on Adobe. Jesus, what's up? What's up? All right. Hey, Kevin. Thank you for that. And I pinned that comment. So if you guys don't know how the C.F.O Swinger Watch or anything in the C.F.O Discord works, this is basically what we do. All right, this is what the C.F.O Swinger Watch people do here. Exactly, right? So I give you guys the price levels, I do the TA, I do the fundamental analysis and technical analysis for you guys every single week in this C.F.O Swinger Watch and this 20 plus newsletter that I give you guys every single Sunday. There is no other newsletter out there that does this, right? That does the technical analysis and fundamental analysis all together. Okay, hey, thank you guys for joining. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the hearts. What's up, Leo? What's up, Jesus? Morris, what's up? So, back to what I was saying. So, in the C.F.O Swinger Watch, guys, it's literally everything that you need for the whole week. I mean, that's all I can say. That's a great summary. Everything that you need to be prepared for, everything that you need to be looking out for the new trading week is included in there, right? If you guys can't take my word for it, listen to my subscribers. I mean, I don't know what else to say to you guys to convince you guys that this is the best newsletter in the world right now and out there. I am that confident, guys, to say that. But with that in mind, let's go ahead and start looking at the tickers here. I believe the first one was MU. So Anthony, I know you killed this trade. I hope you took some profits near the low today, but it seems like we're now starting a downtrend on MU, which should make sense here. However, I do not like this bounce here in MU. This is a very bullish wick here. Okay, so there is a potential for us to go up higher. And so Anthony, I don't know when you got in, but depending on the entry, I would say if you break the high today that we made around 95.67, you should be completely out. Because if you break the high of today's candlesticks, that means we have completely negated the seller activity that we saw today on MU, and we go straight up higher into all-time highs. Okay, so for MU, I think there's a high chance that we can bounce tomorrow, like every other technique that we saw today. But there was a lot of selling activity on MU, and you know, MU is one of those names that were lagging, but now they're really starting to move up higher, which is great for this name. But I would say look out for MU at the high the day break today. Just make sure that you have your stop losses set. Okay. Hey Jesus, appreciate you for this. Of course, I really appreciate you for even coming. I mean, you guys are taking your time out of your evening routine, your evening schedules, or even maybe people who work, just to watch and learn. So, you know, I really appreciate you guys for even tuning in and listening to what I have to say, and even, you know, just giving out little tips in here for you guys to really start trading better, or even just start learning just from these lives. So I'm really glad that you guys are joining and taking that action. Kevin, you said Twitter. Okay, so after Marvel here, Vivian, I'll do Twitter. Kevin. All right, so Marvel. Oh, Marvel. So Marvel is one of these names that I've completely missed out on as an investment. So if you guys don't know what Marvel is, it's a semiconductor name. I was looking at Marvel back in 2017. So, and back in 2017, guess where Marvel was at? In the pre-teens, okay, the tens. Okay, I was looking at it when it was around like $13, and if I had gotten in there for at least 100 shares, all right, starting with 100 shares, I'll be up huge with my investment, right? The current price that we ended today was $82. That's a huge percentage increase, right? So, and you know, this is something that I think, something that I missed out on. I'm not salty about it, but hey, what can you do? So Marvel was one of those tickers that I was looking at back in late 2017. Okay, so Marvel, Vivian. Okay, I'm not seeing much here. I'm gonna need to see a little bit more price action. The only thing that I like about Marvel here is that we have a nice bounce on the daily 50 SMA here. Again, I mean, Marvel has been bouncing on the 50 SMA for months now, since last year, since early summer. So this is another bounce, which is great. We held support around 80.50, and we're forming some type of, well, if we are able to make a textbook bull flag or a textbook base at the top here. And what I mean by that, guys, okay, what I mean by that is this. Where's my There we go. So if you start making a nice textbook base here, or a flag, a bull flag like this, where we just consolidate sideways, this is gonna be perfect for us to move to the upside and break to the upside here to all-time highs again. Okay, so if we do something like this, this is gonna be perfect for Marvel. So, and it's also gonna be perfect for any swing traders or day traders, because this is great for range trading, where you guys can buy at support and then sell at resistance, or sell at resistance and then get out for profits at support, where you guys can buy and short, right? Do I think we're gonna fill the gap here, Kevin, for MRVL? Depending on how we ended today with a lot of volume, I don't think so. We might see a little bit more continuation to the upside tomorrow. Tomorrow might just be one continuation day, depending on how we act tomorrow. But I don't think we're gonna go and break that $80 $80 support again, if and only if the current market conditions continue, right? With all the selling off, the tech sell-off, and etc. So just watch out for that. Just watch out for the overall markets and how they're acting. And there's a real chance for us to actually fill the rest of this gap up here, if and only if we see continuous selling off from the overall markets. Okay, but so far Marvel is starting to form a nice base here between 80.50 and 92. Okay, Vivian, so please give me a thumbs up on the YouTube live chat here if you got that. If you're still here, I hope you're still here. I know, Vivian, you tend to stay all the way to the end, so thank you very much for always staying on these live streams. And you're really been killing it, literally. I mean, you've been taking some of my advice here on the lives, and you've actually executed what I told you the night before, the very next day. And this is the purpose, guys, of these lives. I mean, I'm just trying to help every single one of you guys who attend these lives for potential trade ideas for the next trading day in the morning. And Vivian is a great example of that. She always asks, if I can do a TA on the current stock that she's looking at, or maybe potentially trade the next day, and she follows through. And that's exactly what I'm looking for, guys. Take your action, right? Take that. I'm giving you guys the information, and all you guys need to do is set your alerts, right, on the price levels that I gave you, just like Kevin said here on Instagram. It's pinned here if you guys see it, and you guys just execute, right? I give you guys what you guys need to enter in and get, exit out. So it's all about executing at this point now, after the lives. But okay, so that's it for MRVL, Vivian. You said, I'm waiting for tomorrow what happens to see if it breaks down to the downside or not. Good. There we go. There you go. You're learning. Good job. So yeah, just wait for that break above the high today on this candlestick. If you break above high today, then you have a real chance for us to go up above to around 84. That's already a 2-point move. All right, you should still be able to profit on weekly contracts if you're trading with options. So, hey, thank you so much. You said you have been a great help. Always looking forward to your technical analysis. Thank you. You're welcome. So, yeah, that's it from MRVL. Let's take a look at Twitter. So Twitter, very interesting here. We had a very nice retest. I think people on Instagram, I think the camera here is very bad here. So let me actually clean the camera here for you guys. There you go. Squeaky clean. How about that? Look at that. Okay, so Twitter here. Yeah, so we had a perfect retest at this level of support that I've drawn a long time ago. And guess where I drew this line, guys? Last year and last year as well. So no, this was drawn last year, 2020. So this level here, which is around 38.20ish or 38 whole number, was used as a level of resistance and support. And guess what we did today? We retested that level and then we bounced. So make sure you guys are always doing your TA correctly. Because if you don't have a correct TA, guys, there's a higher probability that you guys won't be able to trade correctly. So this is the reason why I always tell you guys that TA is your basic fundamentals. And if you guys are struggling with basic fundamental things and topics of trading, get the beginner's trading guide. I've gave you guys this. I've been giving you guys discount codes. I've been doing sales, right? If you guys aren't taking the action, that's on you. That's not on me, right? So, it's all about action, guys. And that's why I'm always so thankful about my current subscribers and the people who buy the book and they read it, because they're taking action. And just taking one single action is going to change your life, literally, guys. I mean, that's what changed my life. I'm the one that took action, took the leap to learn, right, and to trade. So it's those little things that really, really help you get to that next level in your life financially. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, Patrick? I haven't seen you in a while as well. Jesus, you said big level. Yes. So $38 is a very big level. I'm glad that we held it. I did want to see a little bit more information. Jesus, just go to the link in my bio. You can just log out of this live right now and go to the link tree. Okay, the link in bio in my Instagram, and use the discount code 5OFF. All right, there's no spacings at all. Okay, just 5OFF. It doesn't matter if the off is capitalized or not. Use that discount code, and you get 5% off on the already sale book. Okay, so it's already on sale. All right, and you guys can get an additional discount for 5%. Okay, so it's all about wanting to learn and taking that action, right? I want to make sure that you guys have a great education first, and that's what we're here. That's what I'm here for C.F.O here, right? This is the purpose of Charts Focus 1. And people always asking me, where can I find your stuff? Just take action. Look through my profile on Instagram or even on YouTube. Look at the links on my YouTube channel, and you guys can, go at it. Everything's out there for you guys. Everything's out there. All right. If you guys want a discount code, ask me. I'll give it to you. I don't care, right? I don't care if I give out discount codes, because I want you guys to learn. All right. I really want you guys to learn. What's up? What's up, ham, New York City? The ham in New York City is good, huh? I'll joke. All right, so that's it for Twitter. I just want to see a break of the high of the day of the candlestick, and we can continue to the upside. But you guys have to be careful. There's a lot of supply overhead. Okay. Yes, if there's a will, there's a way. Exactly. That's just exactly. So if you guys have the will to take action, take it. All right. If you guys want discount codes, DM me. It's literally all about you're literally taking action if you guys DM me as well. That's exactly what I mean by taking action. Okay. If you guys have questions of the C.F.O Swinger Watch, and if you guys want to get in now. The C.F.O Swinger Watch is still at a sale price. If you guys haven't noticed. All right. So let's see. Lucid is next. Lucid. All right. So Mr. Lamb, if you're still in here. So Lamb is one of my C.F.O Swinger Watch subscribers, and he's one of the people who have improved the most after joining the C.F.O Swinger Watch and joining the C.F.O Discord. He's been showing absolute great consistency with his trades, and that's exactly what I'm aiming for, guys. Whenever you guys join the C.F.O Swinger Watch, or if you guys join the programs, or etc. Okay, and you guys can find everything on my website, chartsfocus1.com. Okay, so for Lucid, great strength. All right, I've been seeing a lot of money coming into Lucid, and that makes me wonder if a lot of the profit taking on Tesla, those people are now piling into Lucid. Okay, I've been seeing a lot of unusual options activity as well, UOAs, a lot of call buying on Lucid, and the way that we acted last Thursday and Friday gives me a little bit of a hint that just maybe we can continue up higher and possibly hit $45, which is my short-term profit target for Lucid. Okay, so make sure you guys are looking at Lucid here, because if you break, okay, let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame here. Okay, if we break above $42, okay, or 43, excuse me, so 42 and 43 tomorrow, there's a chance that we go straight up to 45. All right, so Lucid is something that you guys should be watching out for, because there's momentum, there's a lot of call buying coming in, there's a lot of good volume, and there has been multiple UOAs, unusual option activities. Okay, so Lucid is one of those names I think has a high chance for us to give us that good relative strength as a name throughout this whole week. All right, and the fact that we've broken out this descending level of resistance just tells me that there's possibility that we can continue up higher. And depending on how we start forming, either we start forming a nice inside candlesticks where we start forming a flag here underneath the daily 50 SMA, or we continue the momentum to the upside until 45. Hey Riva, what's up, what's up, what's up? Sky, super bullish on Lucid. I am as well. I am as well. This is a great breakout from last week. So I'm actually gonna start. Let me make an alert here for Lucid at 42. Right, perfect. So we got an alert at 42 here. Would you enter when it breaks the resistance? Jesus, yes. Yes. So always go on the break the resistance. Or you can actually wait when you come back down to that resistance that we just broke out of and bounce on top of it. Why? Because that gives us confirmation that the resistance is broken out of, and now we're looking to use it as new support. And Jesus, once you get that beginner's trading guide book, it goes over everything, right? The details of how that works as well. All right. So let me know when you've gotten the book. All right. And it should be like $22 with the discount code as well. So, you know, and you seem like a guy to take action. So I hope to see you getting that book, and hopefully I can see you in the future in the C.F.O Swing Watch as well. So that's it for Lucid. I have my alert set up for $42 here. There's a high chance that we can go up to 45 this week. So make sure you guys watch Lucid if you have momentum. And also, Chad, if you're still here, I'm going to do SPY and QQQ last, okay, for the overall market sentiment. So please stick with me and stay patient here. And thank you guys for staying patient as well for the people who've been waiting for me to do the tickers. Chris, ABT. Aha! So you're looking at ABT as well, huh? So if you guys don't know, the at-home test kits for COVID have been just flying off the shelves off of CVS and Walgreens. And ABT, Abbott Laboratories, are the main company, the main pharmaceutical biotech company or health company, whatever you guys want to generalize them as, that has been making this at-home, in-home test kits for COVID. And Abbott has been going overdrive right now because these test kits are low in supply on every single CVS store across the United States. And I believe there's been an order for 500 million more. Okay, I was looking at the news and there's 500 million more test kits that they've ordered. So most of them is going to come from Abbott. All right, so Abbott is something that I'm still very bullish on. Chris, I would honestly just buy shares of Abbott here. This might be a good technical point to buy. So if I kind of draw like a very messy trend line here, okay, we might just hold this trend line forever until we hit new all-time highs again. So around 145. So Chris, I think if we break above here, let me go on the 2-hour time frame here. So on the 2-hour time frame, we're forming a nice descending wedge here, okay, or channel, doesn't really matter here. All you need to know is that it's a very bullish bottoming action here after a nice sell-off, and the fact that we're holding previous levels of support here, okay. We have support here around 133.50ish. We also have support roughly around here, around 134.50. Okay, and the fact that we've held these supports just gives me confidence that we can go up higher. Now, if we go back on the daily time frame for ABT, okay, there's a high chance that we can also come back lower one more time before we bounce. Okay, even stronger. So there's a chance that we can actually revisit the daily 50 SMA here. So this is the dark blue line on my chart on my daily time frame. And why do I say this? Because of the fact that we are now staying underneath the daily 21 and daily 10 SMAs here, which are my short-term momentum SMAs. And whenever the price tends to stay underneath the 10 and 21 SMAs, that tells me that there's a chance that the short-term uptrend is over, and most likely we can revisit the daily 50 SMA first. Okay, so watch out for, first of all, if you have a break above 136. Okay, I'm gonna set an alert over here for myself as well. Okay, so watch out for a break above 136. Okay, that will be your entry for long term, for long trade. and you can most likely take profits around 138. Okay, I'm giving you guys these trade game plans here. This is what I'm doing, right? Light speed. So with that in mind, okay, with that in mind to the long side, you guys also have to watch out for a potential break to the downside. If you break below 134 with conviction and even 133.50, we flush all the way back down to 132. Okay, and that's going to coincide on the daily time frame with the 50 SMA here. Okay, so if we go back down to 132 on ABT, that will be another great dip buy. A great, good, well, if we bounce, if and only if we bounce on the daily 50 SMA, that'll be a great bounce trade to the upside. Okay, Chris? All right, and then we go to ORCL, Oracle. Whoa! Would you look at that? Wow. Okay, so ORCL might just have to be on the watch list tomorrow as well for a potential day trade. Even though I do not like the spread on ORCL, and I don't really like how ORCL moves as well, and I'm not too comfortable with its price action. However, okay, yeah, so ORCL has plenty of room to move to the upside tomorrow. There might even be a chance that we hit 90 tomorrow. I mean, that's only a few, maybe like what, like 60, 70, 79 points. Not 79 cents, excuse me. So, you know, if we, so, wow, okay. Yeah, so ORCL, guys, this is really good relative strength. Wow, I'm just in disbelief here. So ORCL barely moved to the downside today. And ORCL is a tech stock, guys, so you guys have to remember that. And ORCL is one of those names I'll be watching out for the rest of 2022. And the fact that we've held the daily 200 SMA here, both times here, and we made a double bottom. And for the fact that we reversed on a very weak day, and we continue to make new highs, and we already reached last week's highs, and that's what I mean by new highs, guys. By the way, I'm not talking about 52-week highs or all-time highs yet. We're not even there yet at all. But we already broke and breached last week's highs. This is great bullish activity here. Okay, so there's a high chance we come back to 90 tomorrow, and potentially even 91, which is my first level of resistance if you use swing or RCL. All right, but if you have a pullback tomorrow, if you have a pullback on RCL, I'm gonna see a nice pullback. I want to see a pullback back to $88. Okay, around $88 will be a great pullback. And if you bounce at 88, that's a great level to buy off of RCL. Okay, Chris. Hey guys, what's up? Gus, what's up? What's up? Vega, what's up, man? Vega, I haven't seen the C.F.O Springer Watch yet. Come on, man, take that action. I want you to be in the C.F.O Springer Watch. I see what you're doing. Yeah, and you're trading pretty well too. I might need a guy like you in the C.F.O Springer Watch. All right, so okay, after ORCL, okay, we did Lucid already. All right, Chris, you're welcome. So that's it for RCL. This is very, very strong. Yeah, so just like Adobe here, seems like these cloud stocks are doing really well here. And Adobe is really getting into e-commerce and cloud as well. So Adobe might just be a very, very good watch for the rest of the year here. A little wink, wink there. But for Adobe, this is very, very nice. Okay, so who has the next ticker for me? Let's go. Nomad, what is up? Send in that ticker, guys. Send that ticker. Or tickers, if you guys have multiple tickers for me to look at. Nino, we did not do SPY yet. But we will do SPY after I'm done with all the other tickers here. SPY and QQQ. Lamb, Uber. Thank you. Ooh, Uber got clobbered last week. I remember that because I was trying to get in on Uber. But at least I got out on my stop loss, so that's great. And that's a great thing about stop losses, guys. So make sure you guys have stop losses. Always, always. So, Uber. Why do I like Uber, guys? What can someone please tell me why? Little hint here. There's a specific chart pattern I'm seeing on Uber. Do do do. Dun dun dun. Do 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 do. Dun dun. Cup and handle. So Uber is making a nice cup and handle, guys. So we held the 21 SMA here, and we reclaimed the 50 SMA here. So yes, Lamb, thank you. So CNH, cup and handle. And also, we're kind of making a weird inverse head and shoulders here as well. Okay, and we have a nice, excuse me, neckline resistance. I mean, it's not really a yeah, it's not really a neckline resistance here, but for the fact that we rejected on this trend line here that I just made, just gives me confidence that we're probably looking at this as a level of resistance from this point forward. But Uber, Vivian, you're fine, you're fine. Inverse, yeah. So yeah, this is an inverse head and shoulder. Yeah, you're right. You're probably seeing this as well, but you just didn't see the micro head and shoulders. Not head and shoulders, the micro cup and handle. So all that matters is, guys, is that both of these chart patterns are bullish. Okay, so Vivian, it doesn't matter if you only see inverse head and shoulder. Lamb, if it doesn't matter if you only see a cup and handle. All that matters is that if you are able to see the bullish chart patterns. So for Uber, I have a lot going on here. A lot going on. I think we reject tomorrow again. And we come back down to 42. And if you come back to 42, I want to see a good bounce there for Uber. But, however, if we see a nice momentum move up, I want us to see break 43.50 on Uber. If we don't break above 43.50, and if we fail again, we're coming straight back down. Okay, so that's our first level of resistance that we have to clear before we get above 44.50, and eventually to have enough buying momentum to break above this descending level of resistance on Uber, which is basically the neckline resistance that I made for the inverse head and shoulder. Okay. Jesus, you said, can you enter calls on a bounce of a trend line, or would you wait for it to break resistance? That totally depends on the situation. And the chart pattern that I'm looking at, or the price action of that specific ticker that I'm looking at. So that's kind of a very general question that I can't really answer or give you a specific answer, because depending on what I'm looking at, how I'm looking at it, how the price is acting on those specific price levels, or whether it's a support or resistance, okay? All of that matters. Right, so I can't really answer that specifically, but I will always tell you to wait for confirmation. Okay, and it's a little hint there. So once you start reading the book, Jesus, you'll understand what I mean when I say wait for confirmation. Okay, so Lamb, thank you for the next ticker. Snap. Oh snap! Oh snap! 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 All right, don't mind the multiple lines here. These are all the lines here from the intraday time frames here. So excuse me for all these lines. Of course. And I apologize about not being able to answer that specifically, but I literally can't. It all depends on what we're looking at, literally, technical analysis wise. But you understand once you get the book and you want to start reading it. Okay, so snap. I've been looking at this descending level of support here for quite some time, and finally, we touched that $39 level here. Okay, and guess what? That $39 level, I already drew this back in November 2020. And guys, this is why technical analysis and knowing your fundamental basics is so damn important. So if you guys are struggling, DM me Ask me questions, take action, join the lives every single week, Mondays and Wednesdays, 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's all you need to do. Literally, guys, that's all you need to do. Take action, right? You're literally just clicking with your fingers, right? Or clicking on your mouse to enter these lives, right? If you want to look at my Beginner's Trading Guide, because the Beginner's Trading Guide is a great foundational book that you guys should read. If you guys want it, DM me. Hey, Andrew, can you give me a discount code? Sure, I will give you a discount code. Okay, so, just take action, right? I mean, just ask me questions. Any questions, I'm here for you guys. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to make you guys a better trader. All right. My current subscribers for C.F.O Swing Watch do know this passion of mine to really, really help you guys improve your trading. Okay. So if you guys are still, skeptical about the C.F.O Swing Watch or even the C.F.O Discord, just take a look at the testimonial highlights on my Instagram. Okay. So my first live, and thank you for this. Learned a lot more just from this live. Of course, Jesus, I'm about to screenshot that. Thank you for joining, man. Thank you so much. I'm glad that you joined. I hope to see you on the Wednesday live, same time as well. So this Wednesday. Hey, BC.3K. What's up? BC, I hope you can join us in the C.F.O Swing Watch as well. I would love to have you. You're a great trader as well. You've improved a lot since the last time we had talked. So, I'm pretty sure the C.F.O Swing Watch will be a great beneficiary with you in there and the C.F.O Discord. So come on in, brother. Come on in. Come on. Take that action. Okay, so Snap. We held that 39 support level really, really well. Bounced on top of it, just like how most of these tech names had huge reversals today. And for Snap, we ended up with a nice bullish hammer candlestick. However, I do not like the volume. Sure, we got a little tiny pop in bullish volume, but remember, all this selling here, okay, all this selling right here, this is what we call supply. There's a lot of sellers overhead here, so we're gonna need way more volume than this in order to squeeze out all the sellers here who are still short from wherever they entered here at. Okay, so make sure you guys are watching out for all these sellers and don't just go blindly in. I want to see a break of the high of today. Okay, if we break above $42, so that's my key level here on the 2-hour time frame. If we break above 42, then we go straight towards 42.50. And if we break above 42.50, we're going straight up to $44, which is the huge level of resistance that we currently have and is harboring. Okay, hey Chef, what's up? And BC.3K, you're welcome. And I really hope I see you soon, man. Because the C.F.O Swing Watch, guys, a little whisper here. I'll whisper here, guys. I did not change the price from last night. I did not change it, guys. It's still on sale. So get in before it goes back to the original price of $49.99 by tonight. Okay. Yes, Chef, it's Snap. Snap. And Chef, if you remember, you and I were talking about Snap last week, and we both mentioned about the UOA on Snap on, I believe, was it the February 18th calls, right? But yeah, they have a lot of volume in Snap here. So yes, hold long. Would I day trade to 42.50 or the next resistance after 42.50? So this is great question, actually. That's a great question, Jesus. Look at that. You're already learning. Awesome. So, Jesus, 42.50. That's a confirmation for me. Personally, for me, okay. If we break above 42.50, I'm going to start buying. Okay, and if we start holding above 40, if the price continues to go sideways, maybe, right? If we start bouncing above 42.50, that's my confirmation that we can go up higher. All right. Also, we have this descending level of resistance as well. So if we're able to break above this descending level of intraday resistance and break above 42.50, we should be able to see a nice confirmation bounce and breakout above 42.50. Does that make sense? And even the 0.50 cent move to 43, which is the next level of not really a good good level of resistance. But if you start seeing a little bit of resistance here, you can still sell for profit. So you know, a 0.50 cent move, you can still have profits. I mean, profit is profit, guys. Any way that stock moves in favor for you, that's good. That's good in a market of uncertainty and uneasiness. Okay, so don't punish yourselves for not holding for too long or getting out too early. All right, there's always another opportunity if you look for them, if you take action. All right, that's what I've been preaching since the start of this year. Take the damn action. All right, take the action. All right, and Jesus, you said it yourself. If there's a will, there's a way. And Kevin, and not Kevin. I thought I just saw Kevin on YouTube here. I guess not. Okay, so, did I just see someone comment on the live on YouTube? For anyone on my YouTube live and then delete? I guess not. Okay, so, all right, so that's it for Snap. Okay, and Kevin, I will do Roblox. The Kevin on Instagram. I thought I saw Kevin on YouTube here. Okay, so Roblox, I'm also watching this as well. So first off, clear downtrend. All right, I mean, this is a very clear downtrend, guys. If you guys tell me that there's not a downtrend, then I'm gonna call you out on your BS. But clear downtrend. We're making lower lows, lower highs, right? We've been making a great downtrend here so far from last week. Must be a different Kevin, I guess. All right, so Roblox here, great bounce. I'm not gonna get in Roblox anytime yet, but I will make an alert here around 87.50. Okay, and why 87.50? Because I want to make sure that if it breaks above 87.50, then we go straight up to 88. All right, and if you go up to 88, we'll be back above, confirmed above the daily 200 SMA here. Well, we just started making that 200 SMA on a daily time frame. But for the fact that if you go above 87.50 and if you hold 87.50, we go straight up to 88 and potentially retest this descending level of resistance that we've been forming for quite some time now. Okay. Jesus, I would say just don't even think about that yet, because Roblox here is kind of in no man's land here. Sure, we are in a nice buying area where we saw a lot of buying coming in and accumulation back in early August to mid-November. All right, but if we break, okay, so if I were being realistic here, if we break above, and if you're using these price levels here, if we break above today's high today, or if we break above 86, okay, there's a chance that we can day trade this to around $88. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the $86 break, and also make another level here so that I can get notified. Okay, so if we break this $86 level here, there's a high chance that we can go up to 88, right, for Roblox, and that can also be a great day trade. That's a nice 2-point move there. But for now, I'm just gonna watch the price action on Roblox. I'm gonna wait until my alerts go off, because we're still in a very clear downtrend. I don't want to play to the upside when it's not even ready to go to the upside when we're in a clear downtrend. So yeah, that's kind of it for Roblox here. So Jesus and Kevin, I hope that makes sense for Roblox. But so far, a great bounce at $80 here. We're now right back into that demand accumulation area that we were at before. So Andres, what is up? What's up? I'm missing you in a bit too. Be sure not to see if I swing a watch. Just joking. Okay, so that's it for Roblox here. Yes, VC.3K, you're exactly right. Trading is worth it in the end when you have momentum, patience, and logic. Yes, common sense and logic as well. That is so imperative when you're trading. Okay, and also you guys should never quit. Right? And especially, you guys should never quit if you're improving day to day. Right? That's one of the worst ways to quit. And if you guys are feeling like you need to quit when you're working on yourself every single day just by coming up to the charts here and showing up every single market day, then you're doing yourself a disservice, is what I would say. A complete disservice. All right. So, you know, it's something that you guys should always continue to persist and have confidence in that you guys can and will do good in the markets. And BC.3K, happy belated New Year to you as well. Happy New Year to everyone. So, the C.F.O Streaming Watch subscribers and C.F.O Discord members, they're the same, guys. So if you guys didn't know, if you subscribe to the C.F.O Streaming Watch, you also get access to the C.F.O Discord. So that's a great bundle there for you guys. So, and people have been asking me, so how do you join the C.F.O Discord? Just join the C.F.O Streaming Watch. You get the newsletter every Sunday, every new Sunday, and you also get to be in the C.F.O Discord. I mean, what else can you do, right? I mean, that's one of the best things to do for yourself right now. For only $34.99. Okay, excuse me, $39.99. Hey, what's up? What's up? Another great female trader has appeared. Okay, so that's Roblox for you all. Okay, let's take a look at SPY. All right, so this will be my last few tickers here, SPY and QQQ. Okay, so I already explained this to my C.F.O Streaming Watch subscribers in the C.F.O Discord. SPY, thank you for the hearts, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate it. So for SPY here, we had a nice, perfect retest again. I mean, look at this. We've been retesting this green ascending support trend line for the past year and a half. And guess what we did today? We bounced exactly on top of it. Look at this. Perfect. Right? And so this is why TA is so important if you're doing it correctly. So, if we break above the high of today, okay, so there's a lot of names that you guys have to wait for a high to break that we made today, you know, to go long, okay? And also, SPY is still respecting this descending trend line on the intraday time frame. And this is a 2-hour time frame, guys, my favorite time frame here. So, there could be a high chance that we reject tomorrow on this descending level of resistance, come back down to 464, and then bounce, okay? Or, if you have a less of a sell-off, we might even bounce at 465. Okay, and if you bounce at 465, we can break out above this descending level of resistance, and eventually we can go straight up to 469. Okay, so those are your levels for SPY. And if we come back down, and if you break below 464 and 465, we're going straight down back to 460. Okay, I don't know why my levels are not here. 460. Okay. So watch out for these levels, guys. All right. We saw a lot of resistance today at 460 and a lot of a fight between the bears and the bulls around 460, which is why 460 will be a critical level to hold if we come back down again tomorrow. Okay, so that's it for SPY. QQQ. So QQQ, I already explained it in the Discord as well. Not in Discord, in the C.F.O Streaming Watch, that we're looking at a nice potential triple bottom. And today might have just been a little tiny fluke to the downside, a little fake out to the downside, because right now, we are right back above 378, which is the critical level of support that we were supposed to hold today, but we didn't. Okay, unfortunately, because well, we gapped down below it. So for QQQ, this 378 level, I like the fact that we broke above it and we ended above it, and we ended near 380. Okay, if we have enough momentum tomorrow, we go straight up to 382.50 and eventually to 384. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense, guys. Okay, QQQ, amazing volume today. All right, we absolutely had a great amount of volume. Okay, beast amount of volume actually. Right, the average volume for QQQ right now in the daily time frame is 55 million, and we ended up nearly 92 million in volume. All right, so there's been a lot of money coming in QQQ in the latter half of the day. So watch out for the continuation tomorrow, guys. All right. Okay. So that is it for tonight, guys. Just as the last message here, I'm going to be switching. Okay, the sale is gonna be off by tonight. All right, I'm giving you guys one more day for the C.F.O Swing Watch. You guys asked for it. But I see the people who've asked for it not taking action. All right, so it's gonna go back to $49.99. Right now it's at $39.99 for tier 3. That's the monthly plan for the C.F.O Swing Watch / the C.F.O Discord. You guys get access to both if you just get it for $39.99, right? And my C.F.O Swing Watch members, they all know that you guys have to buy the dip. You guys have to buy the dip, guys. Hey, Zayo, what's up? What's up? So make sure you guys join in. If you guys, so literally this is the best combination that you guys can do for yourselves today to invest in yourself. Get the beginner's trading guide for 5% off, okay, using the discount code 5OFF, okay, and then subscribe to the C.F.O Swing Watch for $39.99. And that's the only thing that you guys have to do to take action. That's literally, right, you guys really won't regret joining. I mean, Annie here is completely correct. You guys will not regret joining. Chad, you're welcome. You're welcome for joining. I appreciate you guys for even joining. So I'm gonna pin that there. You guys really won't regret joining, guys. So get the book, join the C.F.O Swing Watch, use the link in my bio, right, and tap on the tab that says C.F.O Swing Watch before 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay, which is 3 a.m. Eastern. I don't think you guys will be even awake, but join before it goes away. I'm giving you guys an opportunity here. I did the sale for you guys. I'm giving you guys discount codes. You guys want them, so I'm giving it to you guys, right? So if you guys don't take action, even after you guys, well, you're the one that asked for it, right? That's on you. That's all on you guys. That has nothing to do with me. It's all for it's all for you guys. And if you guys don't take the action, that's on you. And you guys remember the C.F.O mantra for 2022 is what? Take the action. Take the action. Take the action, right? That's all you guys need to do. So grab the beginner's trading guide using the discount code 5OFF. Okay, the off doesn't have to be capitalized. It doesn't matter. There's no spacing needed between the number and the word 5 and off. Okay, just 5OFF together, no spacing. And then to subscribe to the C.F.O Swing Watch and get access to the newsletter for this week, since we just started a new week, and get access to the C.F.O Discord as well. Okay, that's the greatest investment that you guys can make. Okay, for less than $100 for yourself, right? I mean, you guys all, there's people out there spending more than $100 going out to eat or for entertainment, right? Sure, that sounds fun, but you're losing that $100, right? Less than $100, guys. So, I always find it so surprising that people will be willing to spend so much money without being able to get it back. And I can guarantee you guys, 1000% guarantee that you guys will get the money back off of your subscription, which is only $39.99 right now. Okay, just this week, trust me, you will. Okay, and from the book if you guys get the book as well. So, I'm just being very real with you guys. I'm being as honest as possible. You guys will make back your money if you guys are being a little bit held off by the fact that you guys have to invest in yourself. Okay, so if you guys don't like investing in yourself, well, I can't change that for you guys. I'm giving you guys the opportunity to get in at a sale with discount codes and etc. If you guys don't want to take the action, that's on you, right? Also for the people who are still actually looking to join in, no pressure. If you guys have more questions, DM me. I'm completely fine with you guys asking me questions. Right? I had 27 requests last night, and now I have 29 requests. Okay, so I'll make sure to go over every single DM. Hey, Annie, thank you so much. So much value, seriously. Andrew gives so much value every single day. I'm gonna have to pin that comment as well. Thank you so much. Thank you. Harley Hustles, hey, what's up? I hope I can see you in the C.F.O Discord as well, in the C.F.O Swing Watch. So, guys, I'm just trying to motivate you guys here. You guys really won't regret, guys. It's one of the best newsletters out there, and we're building one of the best discords out there as well. All right. We have a great new team of C.F.O pro traders who are giving out day-to-day alerts, day-to-day ideas of what to look for before the market opens. And I'm also there giving out great swing trades and personal trades that I'm looking to get into. So that's even greater, right? That's even better for you guys, right? Because you guys want to see what I'm getting into as well. So that's the purpose of the C.F.O Streaming Watch and the C.F.O Discord. You guys are able to see what I'm looking at for the new week, every single week, every single Sunday. So just to have a little tiny investment for yourself, right? I'm pretty sure you guys have subscriptions, for Netflix, Disney Plus, or anything else that will amount to like $50+ $70+ right? And you guys won't ever get that back. Sure, you guys get entertainment, but you guys will never receive that money back. I mean, that's I'm just being honest with you guys. I mean, I have Amazon subscriptions. I have that too, right? I have other entertainment subscriptions. Will I get that money back? No. I tell myself that, right? But I get it back through trading, right? And you guys will get the C.F.O Streaming Watch subscription back in a week, right? If not, if I'm being conservative here, if I'm being even more honest here, if you guys still haven't made it back in a week, you will for sure make it back in the first month. That's guaranteed, right? And I'm just trying to kind of remove the fears for the people who are feeling like, oh, I don't think I'm gonna make that fee back every single month. You will. You most definitely will. All right. Okay. So that's kind of my little motivational speech there for you guys. Take action. All right. Hey Nino, thank you. You'll make your membership back in the first week for sure. Yeah. I mean, most of my subscribers have done that already. I would say around 95% of subscribers. Okay. So that's why I'm so confident. Okay. It's the best newsletter out there with one of the best people in the C.F.O Discord as well, and the best community that we are building here at Charts Focus 1. Okay. So make sure you guys join before the sale ends. Okay. It's $10 off for the C.F.O Streaming Watch subscription, so you guys can also get access to the C.F.O Discord. It's going back to $49.99. Get in when it's at $39.99. Right, that's literally something that you guys can do for yourself for 2022. One of the best things that you guys can do. You guys won't regret joining, guys. Okay. All right. So, oh my God, thank you guys so much for the hearts. Thank you guys for so much of the comments that you guys have been giving me, the love. Thank you guys so much for even coming to these lives. So I will see you guys on Wednesday. Okay, I hope to see you guys back on Wednesday. I try to give as much value as possible, on these lives. So, if it helps you guys, I always appreciate it if you guys tell me if it helps you, because that's the point here, right? So make sure that these lives are helping you. Okay, give me a nice little message. I will always appreciate you guys messaging me. I have time to answer you guys, so please let me know. Thank you guys so much for the heartful messages. Yes. of course. All right, I had to. Oopsies. Oh, okay, there we go. I'm gonna screenshot these. All right, so that's it for tonight, guys. Have a great rest of your night, and make sure you guys join the C.F.O Streaming Watch, guys. It's going back to $49.99. I mean, what kind of person would tell you guys to get in on a sale, right? I don't think even marketers today don't even try to tell people that they're having a sale, because I mean, come on, right? I mean, I'm trying to get you guys into taking the action, right? Stepping forward, leaping forward, and joining something that could be a life-changing experience for you guys. And I know that I've changed lives already with the 70+ students now in the past, and all the people in the C.F.O Streaming Watch and the Discord. M. Choi, it's the GOAT. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you for calling me the GOAT. You know what? Sometimes I like to be humble, but hey, I guess I am the GOAT. All right, so hopefully I'll be able to see you guys on the C.F.O Discord tonight. so that you guys can also see the C.F.O single watch that I sent to my members yesterday night. But have a great rest of your night. I'll see you guys all on Sunday at the same time. Okay. Thank you guys for joining, and people who just came in, please take a look at the recording of the live on YouTube or on Instagram here. All right, see you guys all on Wednesday. I hope to see you guys in the C.F.O Discord. All right, if you guys have any questions, please DM me, email me, message me. Everything is on the link in my bio. All right, have a great rest of your night. I'll be signing off now.